Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, coming at you with can you auto the inheritance zone with Nelliel? Nelliel, she's a queen, man. I'll be real with you guys. Like, she is pretty damn beefy, and yeah, she pretty much tears through inheritance zone. Her main issue in the last couple test runs that I did is the final batch of enemies right before the boss room. That's usually where she ends up passing away, but besides that, she clears very, very easily. Honestly, as long as you have like a backup character, she'll be just fine. I'll go over her build after this, and yeah, let's see what she can put out, and let's see if she can auto just fine without my help. So she got very lucky there that she did a strong attack right before he did his little semen spread the universe, you know. For strong attack, guard break. So we are rocking a Lost Agent Rukia Link, Frenzy Byakuya level 200, and Isane with the heal of 25%, and we're rocking a Yuki Pupples and Incomplete Hogyoku. Now, I do have a gold Yuki, but for these kinds of builds, I prefer to make the build actually attainable. In my opinion, like I say in most of my reviews and showcases, I don't believe that gold accessories are attainable per se. They're very, very hard to come by. That being said, she is rocking link slots. Link slots, even though they are pretty grindy, that is something that you can actually work towards, and regardless of how long it takes, you passively get enough link slot potions to use it on whatever character you want. In my opinion, Nelliel is worth the link slots. I'll say that right now. And yeah, as you can see, she's pretty much clearing like a dream. She's gonna fully heal by the time the next room comes out. Her vortex actually is protecting her quite a lot. I'm hoping that she'll have that right before the boss room, because that's honestly her biggest struggle right now. I think this will be the second to last room that she's going into with all of her strong attacks. Pop her second right now. Yep. Now she has 14 seconds to get that strong attack back. It's gone now. Yeah, see, this is where she's going to have a little bit of trouble, because this last part has a ton of enemies. 2 seconds left, 1 second, perfect. Second strong attack, she's definitely going to the boss room. Yep, there you go. Now, I also have a red gold Chappie, so maybe I can put that on, see exactly what she does if she can't deal damage with her strong attacks. Obviously, I'll have to change the build a little, but yeah, let's give it a shot on that too. That vortex is gonna pretty much guarantee that Ulquiorra goes down. Yep, exactly. Yeah, that vortex is so clutch, which is the main reason that I'm rocking strong attack recharge. Now, I wasn't sure if I could run it with like without a Chappie or something like that, because honestly, if you build her with a Chappie, she's going to be able to survive longer, and the more you survive, she's mainly NAD based, right? Well, let's switch her up. Let's see exactly what she does with like a Chappie. And we saw the point. Let's see how well she dominates with a gold Chappie. Who am I taking the gold Chappie off of? Tag Team Ichigo? Sure. Yeah, let's do that. For this, since we're not rocking our SP anymore, we're actually going to just go straight up strong attack recharge. Who do I want to put on her? Yeah, so the strong attack recharge is literally just going to be for survival. More invincibility frames, the better. And yeah, so attack 30, 20, attack 30, and oh, we're not even rocking a regular Chappie. Alright, we'll take off the pupples, this way we can crit. 156% attack, I like that. I definitely have more. I have like 5 regular Chappies with attack 30%. Alright, so we are rocking an increase of 126% attack. What? Oh yeah, because we're rocking stamina for a little bit of survivability. Yeah, I don't know if she'll need it. Part of me wants to take it off, but the other part of me wants consistency, and I feel like stamina 40 does bring a bit of consistency to the run. That's an extra like 2 hits in from like the bigger enemies that actually kill. So 3,400 stamina. Wow. One thing to note is once, like how the AI works, once they start their NAD string, they finish it, which that could be risky at sometimes, but now with her being like a NAD based build, could be good. But she is wow, she's just like cleaving right through him. Ugh, I want to flash that. Look at that. She didn't even take damage there. That's crazy. Alright, so if you have a gold chappy, you already know what you're doing. This is easy W. Took a little bit of damage there, but not really much. She does have poise, so like she's not gonna get knocked back too much. The freeze enemies could be pretty annoying here, I'm not gonna lie. I think that might be some of your worst risk, especially if you're like far away from the enemy. $17K, jeez. You would think that a goat would be able to like run faster than a human. Alright, so she does not have strong attack protection here. So this could go both ways. First strong attack, nice. Got the second strong attack back already. Now this is why I like the strong attack recharge build, simply just for a little bit of protection. Like that protection literally just saved her life. She'll most likely have her second strong attack for Ulquiorra, and now with the NAD base, when she does her NAD string, she's gonna destroy him. Now if she can proc weakening, oof, it's a wrap. $15.9K. Yeah, so I mean, needless to say, she's autoing by herself. Like, yo, my phone locked itself. Are you serious, bro? Okay. Yeah, yo, Nelliel, use a queen, easy.